dun sa mga nilabas natin photos online. Kaya naman this afternoon, ayan, hindi namin kayo paghihintayin pa ang bagong love team na inyong aabangan. Yes, Mateo and Shaina.
Hi everybody!
Hello!
Hi chatters!
Hi! Hello mga kapamilya.
Basta kayo lahat.
Thank you for spending your afternoon with us. Or kung saan man kayo sa mundo, kung gabi man yan, at good morning. Good morning.
May mga TFC ano ba tayo?
Yes.
For
Oo,
sure.
For sure. Sure na sure yan.
Yeah.
Ito na yung chance nila na makapag-send ng questions and messages para sa inyo. Kaya talagang yung iba dyan, nagpupuya.
Oo, yung mga hindi pa natutulog dyan, pasensya na kayo, but thank you so much.
Hi Tay Tay!
Oo, meron lang.
Tay-tay.
Oo,
Sa mga songs sa single scene.
Ding.
Ang first question nila is, since this is your first project, tama, diba, together, how does it feel working with you?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
No, it's very nice. Shane is such a joy to work with. I enjoy it. No, she's really cool to work with. Very nice. Very you're never gonna get from on set. Kaya maraming pagkain. So yun.
Ano ba? Si Mateo, I always say na sobrang gaan kasama. Kasi ako, I do Nathaniel also. So parang lagi akong puyat or pagod. Pero pagpasok nito kasi ng kwarto, nakasmile na agad, and then he greets you. And then, at the same time, yung mga kasama rin namin sa set, masarap kasama. So medyo na mabawasan yung pagod mo. Pag ganun ka, pleasant yung kausap mo, di ba? Wow, pleasant ka daw? Pleasant ko, no?
Nakapag nag-start na kayo na mag-taping for the show,
Yes.
diba? So, meron na ba kayo mga discoveries about each other? Kasi since first time yung mga magkasama before, may gulo, ganyan. So, ngayon, meron ba kayo mga bagong na-discover?
Yeah. Shane loves chocolate. She's a lot of eggs, boiled eggs with her. Ano ba?
Boiled
She's a
eggs.
lot of baon.
Oo, nagkakasundo kami kasi nagbabaon ako ng healthy and clean food sa taping. And then magka-dressing room kami. So, syempre, hindi siya nagugutom.
So, nakikishare
Lagi kong
pa
sinishare
sa
yung
Share
house
lagi.
ko.
How about you, Shaina? Ano yung na-discover mo about kay Mateo?
About Mateo, wala kasi akong any impression sa kanya before. I know him, pero hindi kami talaga nagkakausap. What's funny is, mas nauna niyang kilala yung daddy ko tsaka yung sister ko. Kasi nagko-concert si Ate Vina and then nagiging guest niya pala tong si Mateo before. Parehong Bisaya, di ba? So siguro yung fact na Bisaya kami pareho, parang komportable agad. And then, kapag nakakwentuhan mo siya, kanina sinabi ko rin to, he is a decent man. Like, hindi ka
Wow.
hindi ka maiilang or well, siniswerte lang siguro ako sa mga living man ko ngayon. Mababait silang lahat, in all fairness.
Wow.
Thank you for the decency.
Oo, may kapalit din mamaya, kala ko.
Parang nagpo-blush na si Mateo. Ayan, let's talk about the story. Ano yung pwede nyo sabihin sa amin about single-single?
Single.
Single-single.
Single-single. Okay.
Okay, this is about Joey and Joey.
Yeah.
Ako si Joey with an E, siya
I want
si
G with a G.
EY. And then, mag-start yung story dun sa pagkakakilala namin. And then, bago kaming housemates. And then, dun na mag-revolve yung story namin about life, about love, about everything in between. Yeah.
It's basically about two individuals with opposite personalities and attitudes living in one condo together. So marami mangyayari doon, nag-aaway sila,
At hindi ko
nagkakaibigan
siya
sila.
mapaalis kasi siya yung may-ari ng condo unit na tinitirhan ko eh.
Oh, yun din.
Oo.
At so marami mga adventures kami dalawa doon sa loob ng condo na yun.
Yeah.
Ayan, itong question na to lagi ito tinatanong pag may bagong show, bagong project, but you know, syempre dun curious ang
Ano yan?
inyong mga fans at ang mga chatters. So, ano yung difference nitong characters nyo dito from the other roles na ginampanan nyo before? Kumbaga, syempre, they want to see something new from Shaina and Mateo. Ano yung masasabi nyo bago?
For me, what can I say? Joey here is a musikero. He's a very liberated. He's very free-spirited man. spirited person. In a way, he's also flirt. You know, he's a flirt, which Mateo is not.
Wow, may pag-ina.
So yun, there's a lot of similarities and there's a lot of differences also with Joey and Mateo. So yun.
Ano ba? Si Joey at saka si Shaina. Ano ba? Medyo reserved. Pero kasi si Joey, can I just talk about the similarities? Si Joey kasi, marami siyang mga pinanggalingan. I mean, marami siyang experiences in life. Yung past niya masyadong makulay. Kaya, ganun siya sa present time. Yun yung kailangan nilang mapanood kung ano ba nangyari kay Joey, kung ano ba pinag-uugutan niya. But at the same time, ako rin, ang dami ko siguro kasing learnings in life. So, pareho lang kami ni Joey. Diba? Maraming lessons. Ayun, maraming experiences. Makulay ang buhay.
Ayan, since nasagot ni Shaina, yung follow-up question, si Mateo na lang ang sasagot. Kumbaga, what makes your character relatable para sa ibang tao? And at the same time, how could you relate dito sa role mo dito sa
Una-una,
single?
my character Joey, our characters actually will be very, very relatable to the audience. I mean, it's very realistic. Kumbaga, yung mga linya namin dito, yung mga pangyayari dito sa buhay namin dalawa, it's very relatable to, alam mo yung kids that just graduated from college and is looking for jobs. So it's very relatable, our lines, everything. And with Joey naman, I know so many people that are like Joey. And they're gonna be watching this and they're gonna be like, oh wow, I like that. Oh wow, this really happened. So it's a very interactive show. It really there's a lot of people like this. Kumbaga, we don't edit things. We're very straightforward. Even with our lines, mga pangyayari sa mga eksena namin, it's very realistic. Alam mo yun, sa mainstream teleserye kasi you cannot be what you really want to do. You can't do what you really want to do. But in this soap, you can be so real. It's like almost true to life stuff.
Totoo. Alam mo, to parang answer your question also kanina, parang why I said yes to this project. Kasi ang venue niya is not free TV. Cable TV tayo, Cinema One. So, yung freedom na nabibigay sa amin as artists and sa director namin, sa writer namin, iba. Because sa TV, like sa mga teleserye natin, kailangan medyo the typical or the usual, and you have to be very, very careful dahil lagot tayo.
Yes.
Oo. Pero ito, siguro mas free kami when it comes to the plot of the story, pati sa mga lines namin, how we say it, yung mga issues na tinatackle namin is, you can be very open when it comes to, let's say, not just when you say kasi love sa mga teleserye, love, pure, gano'n. Ito, we talk about sex, we talk about one night stand, na hindi namin tinatackle usually, diba? So, kaya this is really something very different and something new. Mas lalo na siguro sa amin na mainstream na, mas lalo na siguro sa akin, all my life, laging safe, diba? So, yun.
As early as now, meron na ba kayong parang naging favorite line or favorite scene na nagawa niyo or na-tape niyo na?
Ako naman, I think every episode, we have 13 episodes, every episode just keeps getting better and better. It gets more and more interesting. When our writer, same as Lilith Reyes, whenever he writes something new, diba, nag-episode 1 ng ngayon, sobrang exciting. Kapag nakuha na namin yung episode 2, wow, this is more exciting. It just gets more and more exciting. And it's full of surprises. So, I guess every episode just gets better and better.
What I like about this lang siguro kasi is parang it's funny without even trying to be funny. Tapos parang kikiligin din sila nang hindi naman kami nagpapakilig. Going back to your question, meron kasing, ayan, umiinom. Hindi naman kami umiinom sa teleserye, diba? But si Joey, mahilig
Every night we're drinking, and every taping we're drunk.
Yeah.
Joking,
No, not naman drunk.
Joke.
Not naman drunk, pero we're drinking.
Joke pala ngayon sa
No,
mga
Oo.
No, but our characters are always drinking. Like, yeah.
Yung typical, hindi ba kayo parang ano bang gusto ninyo, nightcap or bago matulog or parang para lang mag-relax after a very stressful day, 'di ba? Ang line ni Joey na sinend ko sa mga friends kong